Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be like a large thrift store haul. I went thrifting today. Oh my god, I came back with a lot of goodies. So let's get started with this thrift store haul. The very first thing I bought on Blu-ray. This is the Terminator Salvation. And this is a different Terminator. I love the way the packaging looks. So I got that at the thrift store. I don't even know what all these cost. They were like $1, some were $2, some were $7. It depends for the stuff, so I don't know. I picked up another Blu-ray. This is Star Trek Into Darkness 3D. I love Star Trek. So I picked that up. Oh my god. I never seen this one before. So I got that at the thrift store. Then I picked up this PS3. This is the Plants and Zombies Garden Warfare. And this is the video game. Then I picked up this Wii game. It's called Rampage of All Destruction. This is that, that big gorilla. So this is a different game. So this is for the Wii machine, the Wii. And I have every system they have. I'm a gamer, so I have like everything before Atari and after. I have the Saturn, the Dreamcast, the Sega Genesis. I got the PS1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes on and on. I have Wii's, Xboxes. I got the Switch. I have all that stuff. So, I picked up True Lies with Arnold Schwarzenegger. You remember this, True Lies, about the terrorists on the plane? Really good. So I got that movie. And then at the thrift store, I picked up the Beatles. Oh my god. Love the Beatles. There goes John Lennon, Paul McCartney. Yeah, so I don't know if this is a documentary or music videos, but I think it's a documentary. So I got the Beatles. I was real excited to find that. My son found that for me. Then I got this Chinese movie. It's called The Eye 3. And it's like a scary thriller or horror, something like that. It's called The Eye 3. And then I picked up this at the thrift store. This is Ace Ventura. It says When Nature Calls. And it has Jim Carrey in it. It's got alligators. It looked like a funny movie. So I picked that up. And then I picked up this movie. I think it's called Bone Crapper Dragon. The Legend of the Bone Crapper Dragon. Looks cute. And I love dragons. So it looked like a really cute, interesting movie. I picked that up at the thrift store. Then I got this one, The Haunting. Something about Georgia. Yeah, Haunting in Georgia. Looked like a scary thriller. Don't know what that's about either, so. And then I got this one at the thrift store. This one is Scarface, of course, with Al Pacino. Scarface. And then I got this CD. It says Now something 2 in there, and it's got like a whole bunch of hits on there. I didn't even really see what's on it, so I just picked that up. And then I got this Star Trek. This is Blu-ray. Star Trek. And there's another Star Trek movie. Got that at the thrift store. Like, all this stuff is from the thrift store. So I got Caroline. So I believe this is a Tim Burton film. Yeah, Tim Burton. Really cute. I love his art. And then I got this CD. It's called Now, and it says 7. And it's got more hits on there. And then I found this CD. It says Now 35. So I guess it's like a whole bunch of different music in there. I'm not sure what it's on there, but I grabbed it anyway. Then I got a Mariah Carey. Love Mariah Carey. And this is the first original older album she had from way back. Then I got this one. It's called Cool Track 3. And it has NSYNC and Britney Spears, Backstreet Boys, etc., etc. Whole bunch of different hits from back in the days. Then I found this old one. This is an old classic, hard to find. This is a Tone Loc. And I don't believe he makes music anymore, but you remember the guy that sings Wild Thing? He was also in the movie Juice with Tupac. I mean, not Juice, I'm sorry, Poetic Justice. He was in that movie. So that's Tong Lo. I got that CD. Then I got a whole bunch of comic books. They had so many very rare, hard to find ones. This is the Wonder Woman. My husband said it looks like me. Cute. So I got Wonder Woman. Then I got this comic book. This one is Justice America, whatever it's called. And I just like the way the front look. And my son looks at them things to draw. Then I got this one. It's behind cardboard. It's called Shadow, I think. Yeah, and it has like all these characters I've never seen. I don't know. I just decided to pick that one up. And then I got him this one, The Master of Kung Fu. So this is like a Kung Fu. Yeah, this looks like Skeletor. See how it says Master of Kung Fu? It's probably like Masters of the Universe, and it looks like Skeletor. So it just looked interesting. Got that comic book. Then I found this box set. Silver right here of the Star Trek. Not Star Trek. Star Wars trilogy. So, yeah, I got the Star Wars trilogy, and I like the way the front looks. Look at that. Look how pretty. It's silver and shiny. So I got the Star Wars trilogy in the box set. Then I got this beautiful cup right here from London. I love London. I've been there 80 times. Love, love London. Look how really nice the handle looks. London. And then you see London, Big Ben, and, Westminster Abbey, and, all that good stuff. You see the changing of the guards on there, and it's just so nice. I really like this cup. Anything to do with London, I love. So I got London. Then I got this, the Garden of the Galaxies movie. I got this Transformers. It's a different one. Then I got this Transformers. I got this Terminator, Rise of the Machine. There's Arnold Schwarzenegger. Then I have this Transformers. Oh, I like the way the cover looks. I love Transformers. And then the last item I did pick up was this brand new, has the real logo on it, long strapped. This is from the NFL, Eagles. It has the net, just like my Eagles jersey, super fly, nice cute bag. And this is the back of it. And it's got the Eagles logo, really strong on here. It's brand new. I got this for like $7. So I really love this Eagles bag. So, yep, that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at the thrift store. All of this stuff was around $85. So, anyway, thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.